How to add Instagram notes birthday effect. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to Settings and Activity. In Settings and Activity, click on Account Center. Then, in here at the bottom, click on Personal Details. Then click on Birthday. After you click on Birthday, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Who Can See Your Birthday on Instagram. Then click on Change Visibility on Instagram. Now make sure the dot is in Close Friends list or followers you follow back and press on Save at the top right corner of your screen. Now, your birthday will be visible whenever you have a birthday. There will be a cake-like option in your note or your profile picture. Now, if you want to add note of somebody, go to your DMs, click on your note at the top. In your note, simply type in happy birthday and tag them. Press on share and you will find this kind of effect. This is how to add Instagram notes birthday effect. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.